The IIA has a number of expectations on the technical skills that internal auditors need, as well as the soft skills. Some people have even called the soft skills the new hard skills. Many internal auditors who are coming in from the business area to be an internal auditor possess a lot of the soft skills, and it's the technical skills that they need to build on. Otherwise, some internal auditors who are trained in the internal audit profession are working really hard to develop soft skills in communication, collaboration, as well as their ability to persuade others and to think critically. Let's go ahead and explore some of the various technical skills that an auditor needs to possess, as well as elaborate on the soft skills and what you can do to actually develop those soft skills as well. It is the expectation that you'll be able to list the technical skills that you need in order to perform your audits, as well as identify the soft skills that the IIA has included in the exam syllabus, including negotiation skills, communication skills, critical thinking skills, persuasion skills, as well as collaboration skills. As we're talking about some of the technical knowledge, let's start by establishing a foundation for what an organization is all about. When it comes to being in a privately held or publicly held company, one thing to remember is that all organizations exist to add value to their stakeholders. In the case of a publicly held company, that's the shareholders. And we add value in a couple of ways, including being able to generate revenue, reduce our expenses in order to increase, hopefully, our profits. To accomplish this, there are various elements and information, elements to run an organization, information that an organization needs, as well as skills that many of the employees need to demonstrate. As I display the next image, I want you to be aware that many of the topics that I'm about to address are covered either in part 1 or part 3 of the exam. So, think about an organization as a pie chart. There's a whole lot of things that we have to do in order to increase our profits, generate revenue, reduce expenses so we can increase our profits. One thing that we need is we must make sure that we have some core operations coupled with some sales practices to generate revenue. Remember, it's revenue minus expenses. We're going to have to spend some money. We're going to have to procure some goods and services. And we also, in today's world, need technology to support our operations. Some of the foundations of what an organization does, providing safe products as well as ensuring the safety of their employees, as well as customers, should also be top of mind. And I just mentioned people. It makes sense that most organizations would have a human resources or HR function. We also would have a back office operations to account for all